Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel RM Vedutech. আশা ৰাখিছো আপোনালোক সকলে ভালে আছে আৰু আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিব লৈছো অসম লোকসেৱা আয়োগ আসাম পাব্লিক সাৰ্ভিস কমিশনাৰ এটা লেটেষ্ট আপডেট আৰু আপডেটটো কি এবাৰ চাই লওঁ আহক আৰু লেটেষ্ট আপডেটটো হৈছে notification regarding computer proficiency practical test for recruitment to the post of computer operator in Assam Public Service Commission. এবাৰ আমি নোটিফিকেশনটো চাই লওঁ এটো আপোনালোকে দেখিছে নোটিফিকেশন ডেট 25th of November 2024 আৰু ইয়াত লিখা আছে it is for general information to all candidates who qualified the OMR based screening test for the post of computer operator that the APSC will hold the computer proficiency practical test on 7th of December 2024 in the venue mentioned below. Our program taloke didise date and day 6 December 2024 ase document verification venue of exam APSC office building Khanapara aru time dise 10:30 am 4th floor examination hall. Next Saturday 7th of December 2024 computer practical test aru hobo marks dise 100 kot hobo Assam Engineering Institute Chanmari Guwahati 10 পৰা 12 লৈকে. Important point taloke likhi dise the candidates are requested to report to the office of the commission positively at 10 am on 6th of December 2024 along with the following testimonials in original with self-attested copies in chronological order. Gotekini apnaloke loi jabo lagibo HSLC pra adi kori jiman asa apnaloke gotekini nibo lagibo declaration form e ekhon apnaloke APSC website ot goi forms bili eta option ase tate go apnaloke download koribo lagibo aru yat didise intimation letters shall be uploaded on 29th of November 2000 ite okole ekhon download kori nijor logot loi jabo lagibo belekoi teloke aru nopothai by post by enike nopothai and shall have to produce the e-admission certificate on the day of document verification and the day of computer practical test. Important point likhise it is hereby mentioned to all concerned candidates that the Windows inbuilt keyboard for Assamese typing in MS Word will be in the font Kalpurus. This is a important. Jodi video to apnaloke informative boli abise tetiale eta like kori dibo video to share koribo napahoribo logote mor channel to subscribe koribo napahoribo to aziloi ahu bye bye take care jai hind.